let's talk about those tedious manual jobs. You know, the ones that feel like they're draining hours from your day. We're going to look at how to give a process like that a massive, and I mean massive, upgrade. Let's jump right in. So let me just start with a question for you. Think about that one task, the one that eats up your whole afternoon. Now, what if you could get all of that done in less time than it takes to drink your morning coffee? Just keep that thought in your head.
To see how this is even possible, we're going to peek inside a real-world logistics department. For these folks, every single day began with the mind-numbing task of tracking hundreds of shipments, one by one.
Okay, just look at this process for a single package. You gotta find the number in one system, then open up a website, copy-paste it, read the status, and then manually type that into another system. Now imagine doing that hundreds of times. That's a recipe for a very, very long day.
And you know the crazy part? After all that work, the information was barely even useful. It was probably out of date the second it was entered. And one little copy-paste mistake, it could throw everything off, leading to bad planning and unhappy customers. It was just this constant, frustrating cycle.
But what if you could just teach a machine to do all of that boring stuff for you? Well, this is where our story takes a really exciting turn, with a technology that's built for exactly this kind of problem. It's called Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. The easiest way to think about it is this. It's a software robot that you can teach to use computers just like a person does. Clicking, logging in, copying, pasting, all of it. But it does it way faster and with perfect accuracy. And the best part? It works right on top of the systems you already have. No massive IT project needed. So, remember that 5-step mess we just talked about? With RPA, it becomes, well, this. A software bot just runs on its own schedule. And everything, I mean all of your systems, get updated instantly, in real time. The human grind is just gone. So what does this actually mean in the real world? We're not talking about a small improvement here. This is a total game changer for how the team works. The numbers are pretty incredible.
This is it. This is the slide that changes everything. That task that took up half the day, 4 to 6 hours of someone's time, is now done in under 10 minutes. You could run it every hour if you wanted to, just to have the freshest data possible. And that incredible time savings, that turns directly into real financial value. We're talking about a potential 10x return on investment here. Because this isn't just about saving time, it's about freeing up your people, your most valuable asset, to do work that actually matters. And the benefits just ripple out from there. Suddenly, you have real-time visibility into everything. Human errors, they basically disappear. Team productivity just skyrockets. And my favorite part? The system can automatically flag delays, so you can tell a customer about a problem before they even know it exists. That's a game changer. Which kind of brings us full circle. The story of this logistics team is a really powerful example of what's possible when you rethink a broken process. So I'll leave you with this. What's the manual shipment tracking in your world? And is it ready for its own 10x transformation? Thanks for joining me.